Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can link Cash App to Chase Bank. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now first of all, open up any preferred browser on your PC, go over to its official website and make sure you're logged in. Can you link a credit card to Cash App? Yes, Cash App is among several person-to-person payment apps to which you can usually link a credit card. You may be able to use a link card to send money and pay bills. First, make sure that you have a physical card available. You will have to enter information on it into the app. After your credit card is linked successfully, you may be able to use the card in the Cash App for certain type of transactions. How to add a credit card to Cash App? Because Cash App is not a Chase product or affiliated with Chase, we suggest you explore the company's sign-up page for more information. Updates to the app may change how you add a credit card. If the process is similar to other payment apps, there will be a place to enter bank details as well as credit card information. As with many modern apps, specific prompts should help you navigate your process. While linking a card to Cash App might fail. If you find yourself unable to link your card to your profile in the Cash App, here are some possible reasons. The credit card details you entered were correct, card number, expiration date, or CVV number. Cash App doesn't support the card that you are trying to link. A network issue interface with a confirmation. You may not be using the latest version of the app. When you receive an error, that message may suggest the next step you should take. That's how you can link a Cash App to Chase Bank. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be waiting in the next one. See you soon. Bye.